Okay, this is the final video for this rocker panel repair driver's side. This is the final coat. I used that Duplicolor Cardinal red. I used a total of 4 coats and maybe another 4 light mistings out of a can that was I think about 10 ounces. Okay. See if you can show underneath. And if you follow along in the series, you can see where I welded in basically this whole this whole patch here using a flux core welder. So this whole side's been welded in, and then I used Bondo glass to cover the metal. I use a whole series of grit, of 36 grit, all the way up to 220. Granted, yeah, this panel could be a lot smoother if I put probably regular Bondo over it, a light skim coat of Bondo. But this is all metal though. I just put a Bondo glass over it, and I did attempt to put some spot putty, but I wasn't really digging it, so I stripped it off. So, but I'm very pleased. I think this will last a lot longer than the 24-year-old rusted metal that was on there. Behind the panel, I sprayed 4 cans of primer and then some of this red Cardinal paint. And then I'm gonna throw some adhesive sealer back there, some seam sealer, the best I can. And then eventually I'll oil this whole panel proper. Because I oil the frames of these vehicles that run around up here in the salty states. But this is on low light conditions here, and I'll probably do another shoot of it in the daytime. But I just wanted to show you here, this paint is literally an hour old. I took 10 minutes between coats, held the can about 8 inches away, and I know, a lot of labor. I could see why auto body people get paid what they do, and they're using, like, I think PP&G paints or something like that. I'm sorry, I'm not versed on all that paint vernacular, but so this work is dedicated to y'all out there in do-it-selfer land. If you're willing to put the time, you'll get the reward. Let's see what else. See what else we can see. Anyway, I just used what was left up in the can. But for all intents and purposes, I'm feeling really good with this job. And I'll step back and give you a little bit further view. I'm at 4 minutes here. Alrighty. So, you guys have yourself a great Ablecraft day. And take care of your stuff. Till next time.